In this video, I'll show you how to add a trusted IP address in Salesforce so users on approved networks can sign in without extra device verification. Click the gear icon and open Setup, then use the Quick Find box to search for network access. This page lists existing trusted IP ranges that allow logins without activation challenges from recognized locations. To add a new range, click New and enter the start IP address and end IP address. If you're allowing a single public IP, enter the same value in both fields. For a block, enter the first and last addresses in the range. Add a clear description such as Office Network or Corporate VPN for future reference, then click Save. The change applies immediately, but other controls like MFA and login policies still remain in effect. Always confirm the correct public IP with your network team and avoid overly broad ranges. Subscribe for more practical Salesforce security tutorials.